everyone, it's Emma from MSC Makes, and this is a tutorial on how to work this really pretty picot edging. There are quite a different ways of doing this that I've seen. I'm going to be showing you the way that I like to do it. Please note that I am based in the UK and therefore I use UK crochet terminology. For this picot edging, you'll need to know how to work a UK double crochet, which is equivalent to a US single crochet. So I've actually got a small swatch here that I'm going to be using to demonstrate how to work the stitch. This is DK weight yarn and I'm using a 4mm hook. So before we can get into the lovely decorative picot edging, we need to create a base round. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you literally want to know just how to do this lovely edge here, you can skip forward because I'll pop chapters in throughout. So to create a base, what we're going to do is work a round of double crochet stitches. So we're going to attach our yarn. We can do this at any point. I usually do it in a corner by working a standing double crochet stitch. So with a slip knot on your hook, just pop the hook through in any point, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through too. I'm going to chain 3 and then into that same space I'm going to work another double crochet, and then it's simply a case of working a double crochet stitch into each stitch along, and then this gives us a really nice base, something to work our picot edging into. And I'm just going to do this all along the row, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how to work along the sides here, because sometimes that can be a bit tricky. So I've just reached the end of the row, and for the corner we're going to do exactly the same as we did to begin with. We're going to work a double crochet, chain 3 and work another double crochet into that same space, and then that will just bring us around like that. Now that we're working along the sides, this can sometimes be a little bit tricky knowing how many stitches to pop in. What I like to do, if you look, we can see each row here, I'm going to work 2 double crochets into each row. So into each one of these, the sides of each row there. If you have smaller rows, so if yours is say double crochet stitches, I'll just work 1. But as a good guide, I'd work 2 into each post. So I've already worked 1 for the corner. I'm going to work another one, and then we're going to skip along to this next row here and work another 2 double crochets. The next row is here, and we're going to work another 2, and then we're going to do that all the way along until we get to the corner, when you'll work a double crochet, a chain 3 and another double crochet. I'm going to continue now and work this round of double crochets all the way around, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how to work the lovely picot edging. Once you've worked all the way around, your work should look like this, and we're going to finish off by joining to that original stitch with a slip stitch. And we're now ready to begin our picot edging. So we're going to chain 1 and we're going to work a double crochet into this corner space here. If you missed the base round because your work's already ready to go straight into the picot edging, what you would do is start with a standing double crochet, and I demonstrate how to do that earlier in the video. We're going to chain 3 and then we're going to work a slip stitch into this original double crochet here. Just pop it in your hook, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through the loop on that hook again. Because this is the corner, we're going to do that again. So we're going to work a double crochet, chain 3 and then slip stitch into the double crochet that you just made. We're going to do that one more time. So work a double crochet, chain 3, and then slip stitch into the double crochet that you just made. And that gets us around the corner. Now that we're ready to work along the top, what we're going to do is start skipping stitches in between. So we're going to skip this stitch here. We're going to work a double crochet into the next stitch. We're going to chain 3, which creates our picot, and then slip stitch into that double crochet again. We're going to skip this next stitch here and go in with a double crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, and then slip stitch into that double crochet again. And you can see that the lovely edging is being created as we go. I'm going to show you how to do that just a couple more times because it's really simple. So you can see that we've worked the double crochet already into this stitch. So we skip the next space, the next stitch here, work a double crochet into the next one along, chain 3, slip stitch into the double crochet that we just made, and then skip another stitch. So we're skipping this one, working a double crochet, chain 3, and then slip stitch back into that double crochet. So it's really incredibly simple. You just need to continue doing that. So skipping a stitch, working a double crochet, chaining 3, and then slip stitching back into the double crochet all the way around. In the corner space, we don't skip any stitches. Obviously there are no stitches to skip there, and you would work 3 picots, and then that should get you nice and neatly around the edge. So I hope that that tutorial was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe if so, and I'll also pop the link to the pattern for my daisy blanket in the description box below as well. Take care everyone, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.